the wonderful HVAC mini split. We have installed in this sunroom all the outlets, and almost every plate has been installed. And now, before all the siding, we had to run line sets out here, as well as all of our electrical from the main panel. We went through the roof and across the attic to the other side of the house, where we dropped our disconnect to our electrical whip for the mini split. Now we're at the electrical panel, where we'll install our 2-pole 15 amp breaker. In the beginning, we put our ground wire over here on the ground bar, have that tucked away, and now we'll take our other 2 lines and put them into the breaker.